And everything that needs priority comes into orbit around the Son of God. So he's centered. But when my children need me more than my wife, I leave that and go get the children. Or I leave that and go to my wife. My parents are 83 and 82. I leave that and I go to... God is not offended when you prioritize him. Oh. God prioritize? Yeah. Yeah, you can prioritize him. But prioritize him as all.
Right there.
Prioritize God as all.
Right there.
So that next time you go on a date as a single lady, you do like I did. I was trying to be cool, back when we was trying to get girls. I was walking bow leg when I tried to get girls. I don't know what bow legs have to do with attraction. And you gotta play with the side of your nose. I don't know what that is. I was like, you know what I'm saying? I said, I was trying to act like I was a baller. I said, you ever been to Paris? She was like, yes, I've been. I was like, oh, okay. You ever been to Tampa? When you make God all, I'm finished. When you make God all, he will heal your need. Because all you're really looking for is a voice. Even